Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your windows? Between the streaks, the inaccessible nooks and crannies, and the fatigue, it's a real chore. Fortunately, technology is here to make our lives easier. Today, we're going to discover the 3 best window cleaning robots that will revolutionize your cleaning. Whether you're looking for the most efficient, the fastest, or the best value for money, there's bound to be a model for you. Some of these robots automatically spray cleaner, others attach themselves with impressive suction power, and some are even remote controlled. But which one is really worth it? Stay tuned until the end. If you're looking for a window cleaning robot that does the work for you while you sip a coffee, the Toshiba W3 is exactly what you need. Thanks to its automatic spray system, it wets the windshield before driving over it, removing dirt in no time. Thanks to its powerful suction system, it adheres well to surfaces and works particularly well on all smooth surfaces, windows, mirrors, tiles, etc. What makes it special? Intelligent dual jet for streak-free cleaning. Automatic navigation that optimizes your route. Increased safety thanks to the rope and backup battery. Easy to use with remote control and automatic mode. Quieter than other competing models. Suitable for large areas, perfect for porches. 2 spray tanks, unlike other models that only have one. Good value for money compared to more expensive models. Leaves almost no streaks on the glass after application. However, it's not super fast. It takes its time to get things done properly. It's a bit noisy, but it's still better than doing it yourself. Not ideal for small areas as precision can be less. Customers are delighted with its effectiveness. It cleans well in one pass. Is easy to use and really versatile. Some find it a bit noisy, and the spray function could be improved. One user says, "Due to health concerns, I took the plunge, thinking we'd see. My only regret is not buying it sooner. After a bad experience with another robot that broke down, I bought the Toshiba and I'm honestly convinced. It's quieter, has 2 sprayers instead of 1. Is easy to use, and my windows stay spotlessly clean. The birds can't find their way around anymore and flock to it." Pros: no streaks. Strong suction power. 2 spray tanks. Cons: a little noisy. Not ultra fast. If you want a robot that holds firmly to the window and adapts to the level of dirt, the Hut DDC5 is an excellent choice. With 3,800 pascals of suction, it clings to the window like a gecko and adjusts its power depending on the dirt. It comes with a backup battery and a 5 meters cord. Ultra powerful suction. It won't fall over even if it runs out of power. Smart navigation. It detects edges and obstacles. 12 washable microfiber cloths included. Ideal for large windows, mirrors, and tiles. Dirt sensor that adjusts power as needed. Better battery life than other models. Excellent stability on vertical surfaces. Ideal for homes with many bay windows. Cons: it must be plugged in to operate. It can leave some streaks if the cloths aren't properly moistened. A little noisier than the Toshiba. Less effective on window corners and sills. User reviews. Many find it very effective and practical, especially for large areas. It saves a lot of time and eliminates the need to climb a ladder. However, some find it a bit noisy and can leave some marks if used incorrectly. Super practical, effective, and effortless. My windows are spotless. I couldn't live without it. A little tip: wipe with a damp cloth first to avoid streaks. Pros: great stability. Ideal for large windows. Good battery life. Cons: less efficient in corners. Must be plugged in. If you're looking for a compact robot, perfect for small windows and complex surfaces, the WinBot Mini is for you. It's slim and lightweight, making it perfect for windows with handles or those that are difficult to access. Its ultrasonic spray system allows it to gently moisten the glass without using too much water. Mini size, ideal for small windows. Ultrasonic spraying prevents streaks. Smart path planning with 3 cleaning modes. 9-level safety. It won't fall off anytime soon. Very lightweight and easy to handle. Compatible with non-glass surfaces, mirrors, smooth tiles. Ideal for apartments with few glass surfaces. On the downside, it's a little noisy. It's not suitable for very large surfaces. Its tank is smaller than other models. Less powerful than larger models. It may require several passes. Customers love its efficiency and intelligence. It's very useful for hard-to-reach windows, and its mobile app is well designed. However, some people find it a bit noisy. Small but powerful. It cleans well and is easy to find on the glass. The deep cleaning mode is super effective. The only downside, it's a bit noisy. Pros, mini size. No residue. Very lightweight. Cons, small reservoir. Not for large areas. Verdict. If you want the most complete and versatile option, go for the Toshiba W3. For large areas and maximum suction, the Hut DDC5 is perfect. Finally, if you have small windows or hard-to-reach areas, the Ecovacs Mini is a good choice. So, which one are you interested in? Either way, these robots will save you tons of time and spare you the hassle of cleaning windows. No more climbing a ladder or fumbling with a cloth and cleaning product. Let me know in the comments which one appeals to you the most, or if you know of any other interesting models. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next great deals. See you soon for a new video.